Jamie here. Welcome to my side of the room. We're going to jump right into this today, and we're going to do a pair of earrings based on a pin I got off of Pinterest. This was originally Reddit, apparently, based on what this says. I can't tell you who the creator is. It doesn't say. But we're going to do something like that as a pair of earrings. I'm going to do like one moon and one big star with the pretty colors. And I saved this pin in June of 2023. It's been over 2 years. It's time to start doing some of these pins. So we're going to do them as earrings. This is a size 0. It is way too big for my thumb. And I've got 8 of these. So we're going to make 4 sets of earrings out of these. So I'm going to get started. First I need to do a background color because they can't be clear nails. I'm going to go with either Ivory Tower, Butter Me Up, or my first thought was See You Later Chai. See Y'all Later Chai. One of these 3 colors for my background color. Let's see. Maybe we'll go Ivory Tower. I think that's the plan today. So I'm going to try and do this without a lot of talking. So hopefully Ethan puts some fun music in the background for you. get the pulse through my ear. Come on, dear. They look like earbuds.